Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a really simple yet quite effective design using the 3D sculpture gel, some crystals. Be nice for like a winter vibe. Yeah, enjoy! So I'm going to use the Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator because I've already like buffed over these nails and cleaned all the cuticles and everything, so they're good to go. Then once the nails have matted, I can go over the top. I use the Urban Graffiti base coat. My usual push up towards the cuticle, capping the free edge, and I'm just pulling away any skin. Can you pop that under for 60 seconds, please? Right, so my three colours are Abyss, Hypnos and Imperio. Again, I'll always do 2 coats, just nice and thin. This one I'm going to do a design on, so I like to use a solid colour. And if you want to get closer to that cuticle area, use a little brush. So I'm using the Neo 01 brush. A little bit of the colour on, just paint up towards the cuticle. Get really, really close there. So you cap it. I'm going to go in with Imperio. This will look good next to the blue. Yeah. I'm going to do some crystals and stuff on that one, so it'll all tie in nicely. And it helps that you've got nice long nail beds, because if they're on my little stumps, they'd look rubbish. Right, so if we can pop that under for 30 seconds, please, and we'll do a second coat. And I'm just gonna dip it in and get closer to that cuticle. Back in with Abyss. There's so much pigment in this. I love it. I love it when colours are like super thick. They just have such a good base for drawing on top of. Back in with that Hypnos with the blue. This would be good with like snowflakes. And then the thumb, that's so shiny and you can hardly see through it. That's amazing. Right, pop that under the lamp for 30 seconds, please. Right, so I've got the No Nails Gel Residue Wipe Off Solution. I'm just gonna take off that sticky layer of this below. And then what I'm gonna do is just buff over slightly. I'm gonna use the No Nails Sculpture Gel in White Shimmer. And it has got a very little like bit of shimmer to it. Look at that. I'm so excited to use this. Take a little bit of the residue wipe off solution. So it's just like using acrylic. Pop that under for, let's say 30 seconds, and we'll see whether it's set. So I'm going to repeat that with a bit more detail. So I'm going to pick up a chunk, only a little bit, pop it on the nail, got gel residue wipe off solution on a brush. I'm just patting it into place using the belly of the brush. Picking up the petal and like dragging it round, because I want it quite flat. I don't want like a a humongous flower. Right, pop that in for another 30 seconds, please. So again, picking up another bit. I think I can like, oh look at that. That's a little bit satisfying. Okay, so I basically rolled it into a ball, popped it on the nail, and then just with the edge of the brush, I'm just pushing it and kind of sculpting out some petals. And the good thing about using the sculptor gel is that with acrylic it sets really quickly, so you're limited to the amount of time you've got, where with this stuff it doesn't set until you put it in the lamp, so you've got all the time to just sit and play and move it around. So I'm just rolling that. I'm quite happy to have all the little brush strokes things. It just makes it look a little bit more real. On the edge of the dotting tool, push that in. I want a little bit of that blue just to pop through. There we go, I like that. Now, right, so I'm gonna pop that under the lamp for 30 seconds, please. So that's completely set. I'm gonna use the builder in a bottle, clear as day, to put some crystals and things in. It's a bit thicker than a normal like top coat, so I think it'll hold the gems a little bit easier. So just pop in a little bit in there. And before I set that, I use the Urban Graffiti top coat, and what I'm going to do is just push up against those crystals, so I know that they're going to be really stuck in. You're not going to catch your hair and stuff under them, because every girl knows that problem. On my little brush, popping a little bit down the side. I don't want to flood it, so I can just place it. I'm not going to do any on the flower. And then top coat the rest. Right, if you can pop that under for a full cure, so 60 seconds please. And then rather than top coating over this, I'm going to use the brush on nail glue. So tiny amount, so it doesn't fill it, because you don't want it to like clog up and be not 3D anymore. So obviously tell your client, don't touch your face, let it dry for a couple of seconds, and it'll keep the shine and the shimmer on it. And you could always bling it out a little bit more. You could put some more like diamonds, you could do it on all of them, bling them all up. Yeah, so that's dry, not stuck to her. Now I'm gonna go in with the No Nails cuticle oil in peach. Just rehydrate the nails where I've been filing and prepping. And there we go. So there's a cute little flower design using the 3D sculptor gel with some little clear crystals. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a like and a share, thumbs up. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!